Good afternoon, Mr. Kong.
Good afternoon.
Today, I will be help you to identify on your muscle mass and body fat. I will be starting to examine from your head until your leg part. So from the beginning, I will start from your head part first. So at first, I will help you to identify, examine at the orbital region. This region is to determine on the fat mass, and now I will start to palpate to see if any fat loss. Good, that is good. There is still slight on the bulge on the fat pad, so means that you are there is no fat loss at this part. So second part, I will be examining at your temple region, which to palpate at your temporalis muscle. This is to determine on your muscle mass. So I will palpate to see the firmness. All right, please look straight at me. Please look to the right. And please look to the left. Okay, that's good. There is no indentation, there is no depression, and the muscle is firm. So the muscle is still good and there is no muscle loss. So next, I will be helping you to check and examine at your clavicle bones and also the shoulder part. So can Mr. Kong, can you please remove your shirt? Alright, yes, you may please sit down. Okay, so for now, I will examine at the clavicle part here. This is to determine on our muscle mass. So now I'll be feeling above and below your clavicle bone that we know as the collarbone to see the firmness of the muscle. Alright, that's good. Okay, so there is no muscle loss here. And then now I will be touching on your, so please sit straight like that. Yes, okay, so now I'll be touching for this here. Yeah, your shoulder is rounded. Okay, so there is also determined there is a good muscle mass at here, and the acromion bone is not prominent, so means that there is also a good muscle mass. All right, so next I will be checking on your bicep and triceps to determine on the fat mass. Can you please hold up your hand, lift up your hand at 90 degrees. Yes, at this side. Now, I will be using my 2 fingers to pinch under the skin and roll it. So there is a bulge on the fat mass here, so means also there is a very good fat mass and no fat loss here. Alright, so I will be also pinching at upper part here. Okay, that's good. Okay, good fat mass at here. Alright, thank you. You can put the hand down. So now the next, I'll be checking on your scapular bone. So Mr. Kong, can you face your head at that side? This here, yes, you need to move like that, yes. Alright, okay, move a bit more. Yes, correct. So now you need to sit straight. Yes, sit straight. Okay, your hand just put up. And then can you please hold my hand like that? Yes, correct. Okay, your hand need to be straight, correct. Okay, now I will palpate at your scapular bone to determine on the muscle mass to see if there is muscle firm at this place. Alright, that's good. The scapular bones is not prominent. The muscle is firm, so there is a good muscle mass here. Okay, thank you. Okay, the next part, I'll be checking at your, so you can see back. I will be checking at your interossous muscle. So can you please do an okay sign? Like this. Okay, so for now, I will palpate at your muscle part and the interossous muscle to see the firmness. Alright, that's good. Okay, so the muscle here is firm, so there is no muscle loss. The next one, I'll be checking at your palm. From here, we are checking at your thenar muscle to also determine on the muscle mass. So there is a bulge of the muscle and also no indentation, no depression. So this also determines on the good muscle mass. Alright, thank you for that.